Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing good. This is our English grammars video lecture and we have done 2 chapters of Wren and Martin so far, and today we'll do chapter number 3, the phrase and the clause. So in a corner, examine the group of words. This group of words, it makes sense but not complete sense. Such a group of words which makes sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. जो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स होते हैं, जो कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं, जैसे कि हम कहते हैं इन अ कॉर्नर, हमें पता तो है कि बात क्या है इन अ कॉर्नर यानी कोने में, बट व्हाट इज़ इन द कॉर्नर और हु इज़ इन द कॉर्नर, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द कॉर्नर, हमें पूरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं पता. वी डू नॉट नो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, वी जस्ट नो इन द कॉर्नर. So, a group of words that makes a sense but does not make complete sense, आधी बात होती है, that is called phrase. In the following sentences, the groups of words in italics are phrases. जो इन sentences में जो italics में हैं, यानी इस तरह करके जो थोड़े से टेढ़े करके लिखे हुए हैं, ये phrases हैं. The sun rises in the east. अगर हम the sun rises ना बोलें, we do not say the sun rises, but we only say in the east. In the east. It does make sense. East में, but what is in the east? What is happening in the east? पूरी बात नहीं हो रही. So, but when we say the sun rises in the east, it does make complete sense. But only in the east does not make complete sense. Next up we have Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Sat on a wall. On a wall is phrase. On a wall, दीवार पे. But what is on a wall? Who is on a wall? हमें नहीं पता. We do not know the exact what is exactly happening. So on a wall does make sense but does not make complete sense. So this is your phrase. Similarly, there came a giant to my door. To my door, मेरे दरवाजे पर. But what is on to my door? Who came to my door? मेरे दरवाजे पे कौन आया? What happened to my door? मेरे दरवाजे को क्या हुआ? So to my door is phrase. It was a sunset of great beauty. Great beauty. यहाँ पे great beauty phrase है. Great beauty का मतलब है बहुत खूबसूरत. हमें ये तो पता है बहुत खूबसूरत. हम अगर कोई कहे great beauty, so we do know that something so the person is talking about something beautiful or someone who is really beautiful, but we do not know who that person is, what that thing is. So it was a sunset of great beauty. जब ये कहा गया it was a sunset, then we got to know what is of great beauty. The tops of the mountains were covered with snow. Of the mountains is phrase. But what is of the mountain? Mountains का क्या? So when we say the tops of the mountains, then we get to know that what were covered with snow. Then we have complete meaning. Show me how to do it. How to do it is phrase. How to do it means कैसे करते हैं. But what how to do it? क्या, हम किस चीज़ के बारे में बात करें? What we are talking about, we do not know, so it doesn't make complete sense. How to do it? It's incomplete. It's an incomplete sentence, so we do not get the complete sense. But when we say show me how to do it, or we say how to spell it, how to write it, then it makes complete sense. So this is your phrase. So phrase is a group of words that does not make complete sense, that does make sense but does not make complete sense. Next up we have examine the groups of words in italics in the following sentences. He has a chain of gold. He has a chain which is made of gold. So we recognize the first group of words as a phrase. Of gold is a phrase, सोने की. But what is of gold? So that is your phrase. He has a chain. So the second group of words, unlike the phrase of gold, contains a subject which and a predicate is made of gold. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में ही हैज़ अ चेन ऑफ गोल्ड में ऑफ गोल्ड फ्रेज है, क्योंकि ये पूरा मीनिंग नहीं दे रहा, और फ्रेज में कभी भी आपके पास सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता. यू डू नॉट हैव सब्जेक्ट. डूअर ऑफ द एक्शन जो होता है सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता, या जिस चीज़ के पास सब्जेक्ट वो होता है जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं, तो आपके पास सिर्फ एक फ्रेज होता है, सब्जेक्ट नहीं होता. लेकिन क्लॉज में आपके पास सब्जेक्ट भी होता है और प्रेडिकेट भी होता है. ही हैज़ अ चेन विच इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड. विच आपका सब्जेक्ट है, ये इस तरह सब्जेक्ट है दैट इट इज़ यूज्ड इंस्टेड ऑफ चेन. नाउन की जगह पे और सब्जेक्ट की जगह पे यूज़ हुआ है. सो दिस इज़ योर सब्जेक्ट विच इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड. इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड फ्रेज बन जाता है आपका. जब हम कहते हैं विच इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड, तो देन यू हैव विच इज़ योर सब्जेक्ट एंड इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड विच सब्जेक्ट है, एंड यू आर टेलिंग समथिंग अबाउट योर सब्जेक्ट इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड. इंफॉर्मेशन है विच बिकम्स योर प्रेडिकेट. Such a group of words which forms part of a sentence and contains a subject and a predicate is called a clause. So, किसी भी सेंटेंस का कोई पार्ट जो कि सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट कंटेन करता हो, जिसमें सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट हो, वो क्लॉज होता है. लेकिन वो पूरा सेंटेंस नहीं होता, एक सेंटेंस का पार्ट होता है. ही हैज़ अ चेन विच इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड, ये पूरा क्लॉज नहीं है. इसमें क्लॉज ये है विच इज़ मेड ऑफ गोल्ड, ये वाला ये क्लॉज है. In the following sentences, the groups of words in italics are clauses. People who pay their debts are trusted. Who pay their debts are trusted. Who किसकी जगह पे यूज़ हुआ है? People की जगह पे. तो this is your subject and we are telling something about our subject. So this becomes your clause. We cannot start while it is raining. While it is raining is your clause. While आपका subject है, while it is raining आपका clause है. I think that you have made a mistake. You आपका subject have made a mistake. You have made a mistake आपका clause है. ये अलग सेंटेंस अगर होता तो ये पूरा सेंटेंस होता, लेकिन we also have another part for this sentence that is I think that. So when we have to separate a clause from a sentence, then it is your clause. But if we did not have this I think that part in this sentence, that would be your whole sentence. लेकिन हमारे पास ऑलरेडी इससे पहले हमारे पास सेंटेंस का दूसरा पार्ट है, तो ये आपका क्लॉज बन जाता है. So that's all for today. I hope everything is clear, and let's have a quick review of today's lecture. We learned about the phrase and clause. We got to know what a phrase is and what the clause is. A phrase is a group of words which makes sense but does not make complete sense, which is without subject, which is only a phrase. A group of words which does not contain a subject, उसमें subject नहीं होता, वो आपका phrase होता है. And the predicate is which contains a subject and predicate but is a part of a sentence. किसी sentence का एक part होता है. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.